Attention marketers. Are you having difficulty making an impact in the fiercely competitive digital marketing world? Believe it or not, social media marketing helps to bring your audience together and boosts conversions by establishing stronger customer engagement. But there are numerous marketing channels like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and so on. Nevertheless, to create more effective business connections and expand a dedicated following, individuals seek something unique. So, if you are looking for something like targeting the right audience using age, gender, location, interests, and more, creating custom and look-alike audiences to reach people like your existing customers, TikTok ads it is. TikTok attracts Gen Z and young millennials. Remarkably, in Q2 of 2022, TikTok surpassed 1 billion monthly active users. So, TikTok has a considerable amount of business focus and has an audience worth paying attention to. Talking about marketing through TikTok ads, it is a noteworthy fact that digital marketers witness over 2 times higher conversion rates on this platform as opposed to other counterparts. A 700% increase. 24% of marketers consider TikTok influential for reaching their business goals, which was just 3% last year. So, if you haven't tried TikTok advertising yet or do not use it to its full potential, then you need to consider it now. But the problem is, you can't just create a TikTok ad or run campaigns and easily define your target audience or become famous overnight. Despite being user-friendly, TikTok envelopes a large marketing base that needs to be correctly comprehended and implemented to leverage optimum benefits. Thus, any loophole or inaccurate technique may land you into trouble or make you throw up the towel. Having said that, taking the right approach can lead you to drive innumerable leads and drive higher sales to earn truckloads of cash in no time. Presenting TikTok Ad Training Kit. Stake your brand on the ground by implementing latest TikTok advertising strategies. TikTok Ad Training Kit is a Starling product with 30 HD training videos from which you can learn how to set up a TikTok ad account and Business Center account, verify the same accounts, create ads, and much more. Plus, it has a considerable amount of business focus and has an audience worth paying attention to. This is your only precious golden opportunity to becoming rich and building wealth for good. This will give you a boost to your conversions effortlessly. Let's take a look at what you will get in this wholesome package. 10 step-by-step training videos. Premier training guide on TikTok Ad Training Kit. And there's still more to come. In addition, we are providing 3 fast action bonuses. Bonus 1, Cheat Sheet. Bonus 2, Mind Map. Bonus 3, Top Resource Report. Download this amazing package now to help you grow your traffic and profits. Don't wait, and get started now. Click on the buy button and grab the deal.